Joshua is as bright as the sun. What figure of speech is this? Simile. Time is a thief. What figure of speech is this? Metaphor. The wind whispered through the trees. What figure of speech is this? Personification. She sells seashells by the seashore. What figure of speech is this? Alliteration. The clock ticked loudly. What figure of speech is this? Onomatopoeia. I have a million things to do today. What figure of speech is this? Hyperbole. It's just a scratch. What figure of speech is this? Understatement. Deafening silence. What figure of speech is this? Oxymoron. The fire station burned down last night. What figure of speech is this? Irony. Time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like a banana. What figure of speech is this? Pun. He was a real Romeo with the ladies. What figure of speech is this? Allusion. The White House issued a statement. What figure of speech is this? Metonymy. All hands on deck. What figure of speech is this? Synecdoche. The man passed away yesterday. What figure of speech is this? Euphemism. I have a dream that one day. I have a dream that one day. What figure of speech is this? Anaphora. Never let a fool kiss you or a kiss fool you. What figure of speech is this? Chiasmus. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. What figure of speech is this? Antithesis. Less is more. What figure of speech is this? Paradox. Oh death, where is thy sting? What figure of speech is this? Apostrophe. I came, I saw, I conquered. What figure of speech is this? Climax. The hero fought the dragon, slayed it, and then went home to eat dinner. What figure of speech is this? Anticlimax. We all knew the results before the match even began. What figure of speech is this? Prolepsis. Not bad. What figure of speech is this? Litotes. He was tired. What figure of speech is this? Ellipsis. A free gift. What figure of speech is this? Tautology. A true fact. What figure of speech is this? Pleonasm. Who doesn't love a good story? What figure of speech is this? Rhetorical question. He has a lot of friends in high places. What figure of speech is this? Innuendo. Oh, great. Another flat tire. What figure of speech is this? Sarcasm. She likes reading, writing, and painting. What figure of speech is this? Parallelism. She ran, jumped, danced, twirled, all without stopping. What figure of speech is this? A simile. We have ships and men and money and supplies. What figure of speech is this? Polysyndeton. Thank you for watching. Please follow us, like our videos, comment and share. Much love.